I would also recommend, CSSmartKids, the Python program, to all kids of Aryan age. And I would say, if you start as early as possible, until you actually get the burden of, the board exams in India and even the grades in UK where we live. The program is very, very good.
I feel the program content is very well structured and tailored for kids, and it engages the kids and helps think in a different way, right? So I would recommend this program for everyone.
So in my opinion, kids means having is not only our natural language or mother tongue and things. Nowadays you need to learn things like Python and all this which are used in data science, and that making them ready for future proof is very important, to make them competitive. This world is very competitive, right? So and nobody will wait for competition, right? If you are so it's the skill development, overall skill development is very important, and this is I think a platform for any kids to grow. And I feel that they will get the right platform here, where mentors are very much kind of focused and they're very much educated, and most of them are working in AI ML areas, right? So they can actually guide into the stuff.